Just as we ended May 2024, the first of 16 more articulated hybrid buses entered service, and these could be the last articulated buses for TransLink for the next while. Earlier in the month, the company announced its intention to purchase up to 203 articulated trolley buses. However, those buses may not appear for another 2 to 3 years. In this video, we will break down what this means for Vancouver's transit bus fleet. As it was for the previous two batches, we will be recording on a westbound 99 to UBC. 24007 is the first of 16 diesel-electric hybrid articulated buses for the fiscal year of 2024. From a passenger standpoint, these are quite different from other models of the same type. To me, this is just the interior of a BC Transit bus that has been recolored to match TransLink's branding. The most obvious difference with previous models is the seats, and these are the exact same seats found on the SkyTrain with the Mark IIs, 3s, and the upcoming Mark 5s. Second is that there are actually 2 less seats. The difference in layout is on the center wheel, which is something new on TransLink. For the first time, the company is trying out a powered middle axle, and this is to aid slightly in propulsion. So I see this being useful on stuff on Burnaby Mountain and the 257. So in place of 2 seats, a small storage area is placed on top with a single seat facing sideways on each side instead. Outside the bus, we notice that, damn, those are some sick rims, bro. And in terms of driver amenities, there is a revised front door design, which opens further inward compared to other models. This order is a separate procurement announced by TransLink sometime in 2021 or 2022, and these are very easy to account for in the replacement schedule. That is because with this order, it brings an end to traditional diesel articulated buses in TransLink's fleet. These buses are set to replace the fleet of 16 older diesel models, which have spent their lives in Burnaby before spending time in Poco and have since returned back to Burnaby. After the rest of the 2022, 2023, and 2024 models are delivered, local bus spotter groups have pointed out to 134 natural gas buses from Novabus being delivered. Now, the first of these have actually started to arrive, but I don't expect to see these in service until around October or November. 14 more LFSC Plus slow charge buses are also on their way, and these are also delayed from 2022. And this is all in addition to 57 more battery buses in Port Coquitlam, given the timeline of upgrades to be complete by the next year. And if we cross-reference this to recent trends such as the 2, 323, and 25, I'm curious what the allocations will look like after the last hybrid Arctic is delivered. We all know that phase 1 of the Broadway subway isn't opening up soon, and the discussion forums have been banking on how 16 or more articulated buses will be redistributed throughout the region. This might suffice for now, but the 99, R4, and 49 are definitely not where you would reallocate resources from. Some have also mentioned the 240, but honestly, the easiest answer to that is to make the C-Bus one zone. And I think for the 240 also, is that you can probably also run 241s instead, or have it like the 503 where you switch terminuses between Granite 15th and Lynn Valley. And that's my spiel about this hybrid bus order. I will be talking about the massive trolley order sometime in the future, so within the next month. If you like content like this, please consider subscribing, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers.